Hello guys there. So my name is Karan Bhola and I'm almost 16 and I'm currently studying in 10th grade right now. So today let's move on with the topic. Today I'll be doing a book recommendation video for you guys. So I've handpicked a few books. Well, these are 5 books for beginners. Well, because I really thought that they are easy to read and easy to understand also. Because reading is a really good habit. So let me start the video with a quote that reading is to the mind what exercise is to the body. So let's begin with the video guys. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel for more updates. First book, Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone by J.K. Rowling, or also known as Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. So it is a fantasy novel. It's about a boy named Harry Potter who is 11 years old in this book, and he gets an acceptance letter from Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry, where he goes and learns the magic. It is all about the incredible adventures of Harry Potter and his friends named Ron Weasley and Hermione Granger. If you have starting reading for the first time, I strongly recommend you this book because it absorbs you into the world of its own magic. So guys, here it is, the third book, The Fault in Our Stars by John Green. So it is a fictional novel and its genre is romance. So it is about two teenagers who fall in love. One's name is Hazel Grace Lancaster and the other one is Augustus Water. But they are suffering from different cancers. Hazel is suffering from thyroid cancer and Augustus suffers from osteosarcoma, a type of bone cancer. They fall in love. They meet for the first time at a support group, and their romance adventure begins. Well, let me tell you guys, it is a really emotional book, and I think it's the really good book. I think it's the most amazing book which I've ever read. So let's move on to the third one. So guys, there is the third book, which is The Book Thief by Markus Zusak. It's a historical fiction. It is set in the time when Hitler used to rule the world. So it's about a girl named Liesel Memminger. She is a girl of age, I think, so 10 or 12 something. She loses her brother when she was traveling in a train to get to her foster parents. She really misses her brother and the story goes on like that. She meets her foster parents and lives with them in Germany. I think in Munich, Germany. So let me tell you guys, this is a really good book. If you want to know about how the time was it when Adolf Hitler used to rule the Europe and what was the condition of Jews in. Well, there is also a mention of Jews, and they also tell us in what condition were they in the back times. So I highly recommend you this book also. So let's move on to the fourth one. So guys, here is the fourth book, Can Love Happen Twice by Ravinder Singh. You know what guys, I really love Indian authors. Well, I have only read Ravinder Singh books, and you know what, they are really good. I recommend you all the books written by Ravinder Singh, even though I haven't read, but I will recommend you also The Belated Bachelor Party and I Too Had a Love Story. So this book is I think I may call it a sequel. I think we can call it a sequel of I Too Had a Love Story. So in this book there is Ravin, a boy who loses his love of life and is really depressed and like that, and his friends go to a radio station and narrate all the story and all that stuff. So when Ravin meets another girl in Europe, I think so, in some country, and they also fall in love. So it is about their loving journey, and that's why I really think the title is really appropriate, that Can Love Happen Twice. Really easy to understand and really easy to read. I recommend you this book, guys. So guys, last but not the least, The Diary of a Young Girl by Anne Frank. It is also set in the time when Nazis ruled. So let me tell you, it's a non-fiction. It's based It is the real story of Anne Frank. It is in the diary format. She loved to write in her diary. She named her diary as Kitty, and it's all about her, how she lived in the hiding and how she coped up with those changes happening around all the time. I think it's a really good book, and I tell you guys that Anne Frank is a thoughtful narrator. So, guys, that's the end. I hope you like this video, and please do give it a like, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.